gateway to another world. This is the Velast waterfall. Already the highest in Estonia, now it's gaining even more attention. A powerful sea breeze and sudden low temperatures have seen much of the water freeze to a standstill. While the water does still flow, everything surrounding is covered in ice crystals. They've created a real-life world of the imagination. Here, characters from dreams come to life. Look there on the hillside, Gandalf leading a group of hobbits over a hill. Or over there, a giant insect frozen during the Ice Age. Nothing here is untouched. The ice cream booth, the rubbish bins, everything is encased in ice. The waterfall lies between the village of Ontika and Velast, a region with just 200 residents. Now their secret's out though, a rush of spectators could be on the way.